Focus. Come on. Focus. Speedbird from London Heathrow, they're A380s. .210 Super from London Heathrow. They're doing the downwind in shortly. A380 time. There's 2 a day here. There's 2 a day here. London Heathrow. I'll get it landing shortly. British A380, the second and final A380 of the day from London Heathrow. Speedbird. From Tokyo, Zip Air. I took them, a good airline. There's no TV screens though, but other than that, good airline. It's A&A crew. And they're fairly priced, they're cheap. Like $200 for Tokyo, that's pretty cheap. Zipper Airlines. Seoul Incheon Asiana A350. They're fully owned by Korean Air now, so enjoy this livery while you still can. Off on the ones. Question is, will the Queen take off on the ones? It can. I have seen it in the past. to Amsterdam. From Taipei, Taiwan International, EVA Air. I found out about this plane from Kevin and down in Los Angeles. I was just watching him and then this left for here. Coincidentally. Yeah, here's Freedom 1, guys. I hope it takes off on the ones later. It's headed out at 3:30 to Baltimore. From London Heathrow, an airline I will be taking this summer, Virgin Atlantic, flight 1005 from London Heathrow. I'm taking them from Boston to London. Virgin. Atlantic. One I don't have in Los Angeles. Virgin Atlantic. To Manila. $225 Super from Dubai. My favorite airline. Up next is Air India, which I can't wait to see. One airline I don't have back at home, Los Angeles. They were supposed to come to LA, but it never happened. And I don't know, that's all I know. They were gonna come, it never happened. I don't know anything beyond that. Dulles. $12.78 from Dulles. Ashina's up next. Ashina? I don't know, I think so. $13.45 to Houston. $13.45 heavy to Houston. A 757 it classifies as a heavy. I suppose slower than LAX, it feels like. Honolulu. No. Munich, 952 heavy. 777-300. G90 engines. Freedom 1's up next. One airline I certainly do not have back at home. They were supposed to come to LA, but fell through. As of right now, I have no clue if they're going to come to LA. But here's Air India. First of two Air Indias. From Delhi Gandhi International.